We are in Resort World in Bimini today, and it's a beautiful day, and this is an absolutely gorgeous resort. If you are on a cruise ship and it comes to Bimini, you can come here, definitely do it. This is also the resort that Virgin Voyages uses, so if you're coming on a Virgin Voyage, chances are you're coming here at some point. But it's gorgeous. There's a beautiful beach, there's a wonderful pool, there's music playing, we got a welcome drink. This is going to be an awesome way to spend the day, so we hope you spend it with us. In the meantime, check out how we got here. Really nice because you walk right off the ship through the pier like we just walked, and it's a short walk. It's like 3 minutes, and then the shuttle is right over there, and then it takes you to several stops on Bimini, and we're going to Resort World, but it takes you right there. It's very, very easy. Can't let all that floater go to waste, and I'm not a big, I love rum, but I don't want to drink that, so someone's going to help me.
It's a tough job, but somebody's got it.
Sip that rum. Leave me the ice. There you go. Good? I think we're going to venture in and check out the water. It's so beautiful. How's it feel?
I don't know.
Woo, It's a little chilly.
Wow.
Well, we're in the Bahamas. That's a little but the water is gorgeous. But it's a pretty picture, and I can see our ship over there.
Oh, yeah.
I think. Having trouble getting it in the shot, but. So we just came and got our lunch, and the excursion that we're on included lunch. I think I may have said that earlier. So there was a limited menu that we could choose from, and it's cooked right in the restaurant here on the grounds. I got a crispy chicken sandwich, which looks pretty good, and then Mark got a cheeseburger. which doesn't look bad either. You know, I don't think it's anything to write home about, but we got chips with it, we got a drink, and it was included in our excursion price. We'll let you know how we like it. There is a restaurant right behind us, so you can choose an option to do the excursion with food or without food. We chose with, but you can do it without. And then there's a full-serve restaurant right behind me over there, and you can order right off the menu. So it just depends on what you want to do and how you want to do it, but we're going to enjoy this lunch. And the chicken sandwich actually looks crispy. That's one thing I was worried about. It's called a crispy chicken sandwich, but was it actually going to be crispy? So far it's crispy. This DJ here at this club is on fire. She's unbelievable. She's playing great songs. She's mixing them so well. She's so good. She's so good. She's right next to us. We're a little close. I might go back to the ship in my ear. Hopefully it won't hurt my eardrum. But she's fantastic. We are having so much fun here today. All right, so we had a great day at that resort. That was well worth it. I loved it. I don't know if I would get the food package again. I think I might just buy what I want on the ship. Excuse me. I think I might just buy what I want to eat. I don't know if the food was worth it. I can't remember how much it cost, but I'll put that in right now, how much this excursion was. But definitely worth it. Not sure if it was worth it with the food, but it was definitely worth it. We loved it. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And like I said before, that's the Virgin private port as well. So we had a good day. Now we're heading back to the ship. Gonna relax a little bit, eat some dinner. It's our last night on the cruise. So we're gonna enjoy that a little bit tonight and just enjoy the rest of the evening.
Yep, sounds good.
If you like this video, then you'll like this one right here. It's the day we boarded the Celebrity Reflection.